Hey guys, welcome to Everything Studio. In today's video, I will unbox a Robo 02A2. It's not a robot, but it's a speaker. So, nowadays the trends of speakers are getting more and more higher. So, without any wasting your time, let's start unboxing. Here's the speaker. You can see here. Okay guys, so here's it. You can see bass, digital player, you can see all, and the accessories, USB power supply cable, BL5C battery made in China. And here's the look, the first look. So guys, let's unbox this. Why is this an opening? Oh, where's my cutter? Here it is. So let's cut it. So here it is, guys. You can see first of all you get a speaker. The speaker is nice, Robo 02A2. It's silver color. You can see 4 buttons, and back side of it you can see the volume, DC 5E, that means charging, aux, TF card, USB, all of it. Let's keep it aside. And what you got? So you got a USB cable, and you got an aux cable. So here's the one and only Robo 028U. As you can see, here's the speaker, and they gave this for smooth, that I don't know what it's called, but it's good. And come on, so let's do a sound test. Yeah, here you can insert the batteries. So let's do a sound test. So you can see this button here, the last button. Hold it up for 3 seconds and it's automatically turned on. What? Oh, sorry, I forgot to charge, but let's see.